Yes, mommy. Yes, my family. They're sending me this package. It has finally came, and I'm opening it. I've been waiting for this package for 3 weeks. Now it's here. Got some ramen, some oats, a teacup, a dish, a kettle, more ramen, some snacks, a magic bullet for my fruits, which we don't really have fruits here, surprisingly. What else? Alaska for my oats, some soap. Yep. That's it. Toothbrushes, sausage, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. I never did a show, never did a track. I need to track it, but on the what you call USPS tracking, no, you not sure like when it get delivered or anything, you just did a show pick up from the post office and in a track it. So I come home, I did a work and I come home and it's it. I come home and I see it on the door. So I'm really surprised when I see it. But yeah, thank you. I'm gonna eat some stuff, you know, at 3:41 a.m. now. I'm gonna eat something. Yep.